This one time, the bride and the groom had a huge fight. After the wedding, it was damn funny to see.
Are they still married?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. फाल्गुनी या हमारा बिल्डिंग में कालिया में गया था तारक मेहता ने शो में.
Oh, nice.
अबे हिंदी में बात कर. मैं चले आऊँ यहाँ से. I want you to be rooted. I want you to value where you come from.
So I can be here and do the
But
same
you're not.
thing.
No, I feel like
I'm teaching you culture.
તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ.
સો ગુજરાતીમીડિયા.com સાથે આજે વાત કરી રહ્યા છે ધ્વનિ ભાનુશાલી અને આશીમ ગુલાટી. એમની ફિલ્મ આવે છે કહાં શુरू કહાં ખતમ. Let's see what's there in the store for us. So we are going to talk about कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म. सुबह से कितने इंटरव्यूज किए हैं आपने?
ये पहला है.
What is that one question you don't want me to ask you?
आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
Sorry, I know.
She was asking you कि आपको कैसा लग रहा है.
Yeah, right. We are good Jews. We understand
हाँ ने?
each other's language, language and all. कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ कि उसने गुजराती में ऐसे see गुजराती any person see I'll tell you something.
आप मुझसे गुजराती में बात करो.
मैंने सिखा दी है.
मैं आपको बता दूं आप क्या बोल रहे हो.
कितनी गुजराती आवड़े छे?
कितनी गुजराती आती है आपको?
Okay, कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बोलना पड़ेगा ध्वनि.
बोलो.
भांगी ना को फोड़ी ना को भुक्को
ये
करी
तो
ना.
बहु क्लीशे है.
वो भी नहीं आता होगा इसको.
वो तो आता होगा.
अच्छा.
अरे यार पूछो.
You say anything ना તમે કાઈ પણ કહો.
હું તો ચંદ્ર છું. હું રોજ બધાની બારીમાં આટા ના મારું. હું તો આકાશમાં જ રહું. That was Hiramendu in Gujarati.
Oh my God, what did you say?
हम तो चांद हैं.
हम तो चांद हैं.
जो सिर्फ खिड़की पे दिखता है घर पे नहीं आता. Something like that.
Guts. You have guts that I would get that. Okay.
Yeah, good Jews are never without guts.
That's
Exactly.
right.
Yeah. So if you have to describe this film
हाँ.
in 3 words, which are the words that you will choose and which are the words that you will choose?
Wholesome, important, and it's Dhwani's first film.
Funny, important, and my first film.
Oh, okay. If you have to share like one song that talks about the theme of the film,
Yeah.
which will be that song? ये गाना आपको नहीं बोलना है.
Seriously,
कहाँ
यही
शुरू,
theme
कहाँ
है.
खत्म. अगर आपको ऑप्शन मिले कि दूसरा गाना आप बताइए, वो गाना कौन सा होगा?
To describe the love angle, सहरा.
Okay.
इसी पिक्चर से. ओह.
नहीं, आप कोई
नहीं
गाना
एक्चुअली
भी बता
कोई और
सकते
पिक्चर
हैं.
यूज कोई और
Of
गाना भी यूज कर
course.
सकते हैं.
अच्छा. ओके ओके. भाग भाग दी के बोस दी के बोस दी के बोस.
What a song! What a song! Nice, nice.
I mean, if you put that song in that trailer sequence also,
I think it will work.
go.
It'll work.
If you have to
Definitely.
sum up the story using emojis, which were the emojis that you will use?
For the film,
You know that guy who's running.
Justifying the song that you chose also. So yeah.
But it is about that ना. वहीं से तो
Yeah.
शुरू होती है कहानी.
and maybe like a pink heart.
Okay. Which is that weirdest memory that you have of, being in someone's शादी? किसी का झगड़ा, फूफा जी को बुरा लगना, किसी की विग निकल जाना, weird कुछ भी होता है शादी
में ना.
हाँ.
नहीं, वो नहीं बता सकती.
बता दे. वही तो बता रहा
That
है.
was me, bro. I can't say it. नहीं यार, मैं तो बस खाना खाने जाती हूँ.
हाँ, बट हम लोगों को तो देखते हैं ना. We observe people, right?
एक बार ना दूल्हा
या तो हम देखते हैं या लोग हमें देखते हैं.
That is fine. हम तो देखने के लिए ही है ना.
Exactly.
This one time, the bride and the groom had a huge fight. After the wedding, it was damn funny to see.
Are they still married?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. तो ठीक है. What about you? Gate crash किया है?
गेट क्रैश नहीं किया कभी. बट लेकिन शादियों में बहुत नाचा है और मैं मतलब यूजुअली वो लास्ट होता था जो निकलता था.
Okay, I get it.
काफी tight.
Yeah. So since the film is called So the film is
अरे
called
सबको मतलब
हाँ, I-
एस्कॉर्ट करके बाहर.
Yeah.
સર્વિસ
પછી પેલું શેતરંજી ગાદલા ઉપાડવાના હોય ને, ફરાઝ ખાન
આવે ને પછી ઓલા માણસો વન ઓફ ધેમ યસ
Yeah. She's just praising you a lot.
યા
Okay, so since the film is called Kahan Shuru Kahan Khatam, if you could restart or pause some part of your life, what will be that time? वो कौन सा हिस्सा होगा?
जब मैं स्कूल में होता था और स्कूल से जब मैं वापस आता था और कार्टून देखने के बाद क्रिकेट खेलने जाता था. That was the most purest, the least amount of responsibility
Responsibility,
and the most amount of fun. और ज़िंदगी तब बहुत ही सुकून वाली थी.
I know.
I miss that child. Yeah.
What about you?
जब वही ट्यूशन में छुट्टी होती थी उस दिन को मैं पॉज करना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि ना मेरा होमवर्क होता था ना मेरे हाथ में कुछ होता था, मैं सिर्फ खेलने चली जाती थी.
और ढोकला खाती थी.
हाँ ढोकला खाती थी.
Okay.
मैं थेपला खाती थी, ज़्यादा ढोकला नहीं.
Whatever.
सेट पे थेपले खाने मिले आपको?
थेपले खिलाए थे तुमने मुझे?
क्या ब्रो?
फाफड़ा थेपड़ा
फाफड़ा, मैंने फाफड़ा देखो नहीं खिलाया था.
लोग नहीं थेपला खिलाया था.
खाखरा
खाखरा?
खाखरा होता
जावना
था.
खाखरा.
I got like
खाखड़ा खाया था. हाँ खाखड़ा. बट ये जो भी अड़ी ये मैंने खाया था. रा र
चोर र.
That's
आपने
the
देखा
best
ट्रेलर?
line. Of course. So if you have to explain your character to someone or describe, अगर आपका character real life में अभी हो यहाँ पे, character, I'm not talking about the actors, वो कहाँ डेट पर जाएगा, खाना खाने कहाँ जाएगा, और what will be that one thing that will hurt that character?
कहाँ जाएगा डेट पे? In go to like Mumbai Fort side on the like or maybe just on the beach
Okay.
on the ocean. क्या खाएगा? I think एक रेस्टोरेंट है यहाँ दक्षिणायन जुहू में, वहाँ जाके डोसा खाएगा.
Okay.
ठीक है. और क्या उसे हर्ट करेगा? अगर उसने किसी को लड़कियों से बदतमीज़ी से या डिसरिस्पेक्टफुली अगर बात करते हुए देखे तो वो उसको आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं बात कहीं उसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. या
Serious say go. You say. What about your character?
कहाँ जाएगी? भाग जाएगी.
भाग के कहाँ जाएगी?
भागती रहेगी.
भागती रहेगी.
Okay.
यहाँ वहाँ जाएगी, अलग अलग जगह जाएगी, एक जगह नहीं टिकेगी.
उसको डेट पे जाना है तो कहाँ जाएगी? भागते भागते मतलब
वो कह रही है मैराथन भागेगी और वही उसकी डेट है अपने.
वही
that's
उसकी
the
date.
date. Okay.
ड्राइव पे जाएगी.
What will she eat?
What will she eat?
बड़ा पाव.
Not really.
तो मुझे क्यों खिलाया?
तूने खाया, तुझे फोर्स फीड थोड़ी किया था, बच्चा है क्या?
3 बड़ा पाव खाया
छोटा
था मैंने.
बच्चा है क्या? ऐसा पूछ रही है.
हाँ ठीक है, वड़ा पाव भी खा सकती है, ऐसा नहीं है.
हाँ you only took me.
और फिर जो उसको हर्ट करेगी, घूंघट वाली औरतें. अगर वो कॉन्स्टेंटली घूंघट में है तो वो उसको हर्ट करेगा.
So you worked with lot of amazing actors, you know. तो आप जब ऐसे लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं तो आप हमेशा कुछ सीखते हैं और आप एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स आप अपने जो प्ले कर रहे हैं. तो क्या ऐसी चीज़ थी जो आपने सीखी? क्या आप में ऐड हुआ? क्या आपने सोचा कि नहीं यार ये नहीं करना चाहिए मुझे टाइप्स? डिलीट हुआ पर्सनालिटी से ऐसा कुछ?
नहीं डिलीट तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. आई डोंट थिंक डिलीट आप कुछ
कर भी
ज़्यादा
सकते हो.
करते हो क्योंकि
Start working on it, but yeah.
Yeah, it's like when I was I remember when I was doing my scenes with Rakesh Bedi sir. I think that for me was a phenomenal experience because to see his passion for the craft and for the amount of energy that he has even till today and the willingness to actually the way with which he approaches his scenes and the amount of takes that he feels like he needs to give. Every take would be different and every time he'd want to add something more and give his best and do like a little bit extra that could add to the character. I think that just instilled that same passion in me because I feel like we're young right now, we're learning every time that we're on set, we're always learning from somebody who's more experienced than us or maybe not. You know, everybody teaches you something, good or bad. But with him and Supriya ma'am also, I mean the kind of hold that they have on their craft and the kind of experience that they come from, I mean they command it. you know, that kind of respect and the love that they have for the work that they do.
Craft. Yeah.
That to have at that age and in that the place that they stand in life, I feel that is it's so amazing to watch and to be a part of that and to be around them. It's a blessing.
What about you?
It just stuck in my head एक बार जैसे मैं सुप्रिया मैम ने जोए तो while she was doing stop it. I'm
No,
just-
it's okay. That's
yeah.
comfort level.
When I was watching her, you know, do the
Perform.
scene, perform. It's just that at any point, if she would forget a line, she would just ask, you know, that give me the line, but she would have the same mood, and then she would pick it up from there,
Wow.
and I was just in awe because it's so
amazing.
hard to do, and there's so many years of practice, and how quick she was, and it just stayed in my head, and I really aspire to sort of be that way one day as an actor, you know, to be that quick and to be that good at your craft.
What are your Navratri plans?
Garba, only
Garbo.
ગરબો ક્યાં શું
હું તો જાઉં all the time ફાલ્ગુની या हमारा बिल्डिंग में काले में गया था तारक मेहता ना शो
Oh
में
nice.
तो तैयारी में for 10
अबे
minutes
हिंदी में बात कर
for
मैं चले आऊँ यहाँ से
10 minutes we had a garba thing and it was the most fun I've had.
What's your favorite garba song?
Sanedo, 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 Lala Sanedo. Because then everybody's sitting down for a bit and then they get up, Sanedo, Sanedo. And I'm just like, oh, sick, this is beautiful. Mane wo maja aave. And then, Indra mera gayi thi buri saiya. I'll keep going on.
Okay. So before I let you go, you have to ask one question to him, you have to ask one question to her, and I've done my job.
Why were you guys talking in Gujarati right now? That made me very uncomfortable.
The whole point was to make you uncomfortable. That's why we were talking
I
in
mean,
Gujarati.
Why should boys have all the
All
fun?
the fun. That was my question.
कहाँ फंस गया हूँ anyway, पूछना question.
Why do you hate that we talk in Gujarati?
I don't hate it. I just don't understand it.
Why do you always keep telling me तू अपने गांव चली जा वापस?
Yeah, because I feel I want you to be rooted. I want you to value where you come from.
So I can be here and do the
But
same
you're not.
thing.
No, I feel like-
I'm teaching you culture. Respect it.
Okay,
हैरान मत कर.
हैरान मत कर.
She keeps saying that. She'll
So
always be
अभी
like, तू
समझ गए
हैरान कर रहा
ना
है.
हैरान कर रहा है का
हाँ.
मतलब परेशान मत करो
हाँ.
बेसिकली.
हाँ.
ओके.
But मेरी लैंग्वेज में तो हैरान मतलब it's like
चौंक जाना.
हाँ. शॉक मत कर मुझे. शॉक मत दे. हैरान कर रहा है. Sweet.
स्वीट ऑन द स्वीट नोट हम आपको ज्यादा हैरान नहीं करेंगे हम
बहुत
आपको
बहुत
परेशान नहीं
हैरान
करेंगे
नहीं कर रहे हैं.
It was lovely talking to both of you. All the
Likewise.
best, and
Thank
I'm
you so
sure
much.
the film is going to do
Thank
really
you.
good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન.